Hello everyone. Today we're solving this equation 18 minus 6 divided by 2 times 3. Most people get either 18 or 17, but the correct answer is 9. Let me show you exactly where the mistake happens, and then the right way to solve it. Here's how most people solve this incorrectly. They work from left to right, treating all operations as equal. They see 18 minus 6, so they calculate 18 minus 6 equals 12. Then they continue left to right. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Finally, 6 times 3 equals 18. Here's the right way to solve it. We will use the order of operations rule, which is PEMDAS, stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. This tells us the order in which we must solve the equations. Parentheses first, exponents second, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Step 1, division and multiplication, left to right. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Then 3 times 3 equals 9. Now we have 18 minus 9. Step 2, subtraction. Last, 18 minus 9 equals 9. The correct answer is 9. The key lesson, when you see division and multiplication together, work strictly left to right. Don't group them incorrectly or skip around. If this helped you understand order of operations, please hit the like button and subscribe for more clear math explanations. Thank you for watching.